We're out fishing. We're hooked up. Let's see what this is on the ice rod. It's super windy out here. We're hooked up. Maybe this is a little dogger. It's coming up real easy. Oh, it's a kitty goes meow. Little kitty. We just caught a walleye and we're hooked up on this other rod. Let's see what we bring. Probably a kitty. Just on a bobber and worm. And we got a little Mr. Kitty. Fish on. It's so windy. Don't tell me you're in my other rod or we getting a bite on the other rod. That's a little water possum. On my favorite rod. Nice rod. Hooked up on my favorite rod in the world. I don't even know what this has for line on. I think it only has 4 pounds. We got something that's kilo and gray. It's either probably a little kitty or a sturgeon, but and we got a kitty. I think it's just a little kitty. Let's see. Oh, that is a tiny little kitty. We just caught this little dinky one. It's gonna be some. We just caught a fish, a goldeye. We just caught another sauger. But I think we've caught 2 walleyes, a sauger with like 3 goldeyes. Sorry I'm not recording, we just caught another sauger. We're doing alright. That's what the 4th fish one. We got a fish, let's see what it is. Oh, it's a little kitty. Plus the stuff in the boat. I fail at keeping a clean boat. Let's see, I think it's just a little tiny kitty. It's a rolling little thing. Little kitty. Oh, we got cut bait. Do we have one on this other rod too? Let's see. No. On the river. Let's see what we got. Probably right into the dog dam. Fun. We got Mr. Meow. We got ourselves a daily double. Let's get in the first fish. It helps that we have all 5 lines. We got Kitty 1. This kitty must be real small. And we got Kitty 2, both little channel kitties.
So here's some video of me fishing on the Yellowstone River. This may be my last video of me fishing on the Yellowstone River, unfortunately, unless I go this next week, and although it's probably going to be pretty high because of all the snow we've got. But anyways, I caught some sauger and walleye and a bunch of little catfish. I didn't record all the fish I caught, and I caught some gold eyes. It's been a fun time fishing the Yellowstone. I actually like this area. I just should try to work my way up in my career right now at the point I'm at in life. So I'll have some new adventures coming soon.